Hey Diane, this is Bill Bevington with the Denver Dance Calendar. You should have an email in your inbox with some login credentials that will get you into the back end of the calendar, so you can post or edit an event as you need to do. I posted your first event, however, there are some problems with it, and I think maybe we should look at that. So on the website, on the bottom of any page, it says log in. Give that a click. And I'm going to log in with your credentials. On the, let's see, in the upper corner here, as soon as it loads, it says dashboard or events, all events. Here's the event I posted for you this morning. You want to click on edit. I'm not sure if this is the title or not, this I Love Ballroom Dance. I'm not sure about that. So you may want to tweak that a little bit. As you scroll down the page a little bit, you didn't give me any start time or end time, so I have 6 and 10 p.m. plugged in. That's probably wrong. Just click inside the box and change it to whatever you need to change it to for here and the end time. You indicated that the event repeats monthly on the third Friday, and I have it listed forever. So there's quite literally an infinite number of events stored there. You may occasionally have a third Friday where you cannot host a dance. So you want to click on this exclude and then pick the dance. Just scroll over to wherever you need to be, find the third Friday, give that a click, and then click on apply. And that will exclude that particular dance from the calendar. So there's this event date and time that you need to edit. Event location and details. That's not too bad. Event cost and tickets. You can't quite see it all here, but I have the member price and the non-member price in there. So that's probably all right. Contact organizer, if you have a website, that's really helpful, or a phone number. And then on the details, this final section here, I just didn't, I have virtually nothing to put in there. So you could flesh that out. I'll show you a little more about that in a minute. But this needs everything in it. Times, place, location, everything. It needs it all. You may have a publicity person that can do this for you. I don't know. But you may take a look at that. So when you're done editing, just click on update. And that's all there is to it. And then, of course, log out. So let's log out here, and I want to show you something on the calendar. The best way to learn how to post an event is to take a look at what other events are already posted. That'll give you some idea what you need to do. Let's take a look at this one. So up here he's got everything. A website, it's a class, it's a regularly scheduled dance. This could be better. Let's take a look at a different one. Let's see. Let's take a look at this one here. This is a class, but this gal has a really good posting. So right here, there's a ton of text. I mean, it's everything you want to know about that event she's got posted. When somebody reads this, they have lots of motivation to go to this particular class, and you should do the same about your dances. So If I can be of any further assistance, don't hesitate to let me know. And thanks for using the calendar.